Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, now I'm over here. It has been a day. I'm telling you. Okay, let me just get this all set up so I can bring you guys the video when it starts. Has it not been a day? You guys notice I have turned off the super chats. I was covering the Gabby case. As you guys all know, how that ended yesterday with them finding her body. This morning, I was putting out there on my comments tab on my YouTube. If you go to my YouTube channel and the comments tab, I was doing updates there as to what was happening at Brian Landry's house. So that's been going on all morning. I've been bouncing around. I was on 4 different devices between my computers, my iPad, my phone, and my laptop. I had everything going with all bunch of different news medias and everything up that I was watching you guys so I could bring you everything that was coming out. So I was like, I will never do that again. I'm telling you, I was ready to pull my hair out. 4 different things going on. Think about that. My computer with 3 screens, my cell phone, my laptop, my iPad, watching different channels everywhere. There's my little niece. Hello. Hello, Judith, Gabriella, Gabby. A different Gabby, you guys. That's my niece. Okay, so I'm trying to get everything. I've been discombobulated all freaking morning here. I am like, my head is just spinning right now, you guys. Bonjour from Quebec, Canada. You are not far from me, TL. Where are you? I am pretty much Ottawa, right at the Quebec border. So I'm not far from you. I'm just going to sit here and watch some of your guys' comments. You guys, I've got to take just a little breather. I am watching the feed for Chad Daybell. That's what we are here for right now, the motions hearing for Chad Daybell. Let me just edit this. Okay. I muted myself so you guys didn't have to hear me doing all the clicking and stuff because people complain about the clicking and everything. So there he is. Wow. Watch this. Okay, let me just mute for a minute, you guys. Okay, to all my mods, Cindy and my sister that's in here, I can't really see from the chat who else is in here as mods. I just added another mod for you guys. Okay, let me see here. Rosie, there, another mod. Sorry, you guys, for the cough. I added another mod for you guys. Is the chat slow enough for you guys? If not, let me know now. And I'm trying to find my niece so I can add her as a mod too. There she is. Okay, Gabby, I have added you as a mod too. So now we got quite a few mods in here. Gabby, just ask Des about the rules for modding. Okay, where's my Pop Rocks? Pop Rocks, where are you? Is Pop Rock still in here? Oh, thank you, Barb. It's been a morning, I'm telling you. Okay, I got Cindy, Rosie. I just added my niece, Gabby. I got my sister, Des. Where's Pop Rocks? Where'd he go? He's left me already. Divorce. There we go. There he is. Has anyone ever noticed that voice to text always lies about you if you don't double check it before hitting send? Well, there you go, sweetie. Now you've got a wrench. So look out, because now Pop Rocks has a wrench, and we're pretty much old school, and he's not going to take any crap either. So nobody heard me light that cigarette. Okay, so I got tons of mods in here. You guys are going to be able to hold down the house. Yes, like my head has been spinning, you guys. I've been on this since it broke about the house, about Brian Laundrie's house being surrounded by FBI. So I've been trying to cover that. Then as that's going on, every 2 minutes I was checking for the Barry Morphew releasing of the affidavit. Then I seen that come out, so I jumped on a live for that. Thank God I had that all set up already, ready to go as soon as I did see that the affidavit was released. I jumped on doing that, and I did that right up until the time that I'm supposed to come on for this. Oh, it's been nonstop all day, you guys. So it's like, I don't know if I will be able to continue that affidavit today, or if I will just jump on first thing in the morning and start it again where we left off. Oh, Kitty and my Pinchel. Yep. You're one of my tools now. Now I got to find a pet name for you. My hitman. My hitman. Revere says, thanks, Dee. Melmac says, thanks, Willow. You're welcome. I go above and beyond for you guys. Randy Wave wants the facts. Did anyone know there's a tow truck? Is there a tow truck? If it's a tow truck, they're going to be taking that Mustang. That's the car that apparently Brian left in on Tuesday and went to that park or whatever he went to. And his parents found it the next day, Wednesday, and brought it back home. So I don't believe he was ever in that park. I believe that they are setting it up. There's also, I'm going to reiterate this again. There's rumors going around that Brian's mother is a district attorney somewhere, blah, blah, blah. No, I've got verified facts. Thank you, Cindy. Okay, so Cindy is saying that there's a tow truck there. Cindy is one of the ones that brings me a lot of information that I can't get because I'm not in the States. Pop rocks, I'm a damn tool. Damn straight. You're my hitman. So Cindy is saying there's a tow truck there. I would be assuming, I can't see it right now, you guys, but I am assuming that that is going to be taking that Mustang away. Cindy is also the one that got me the verified information that neither of Brian's parents work anywhere in the legal field. They own a juice bar. Okay, Mama Bear, if you can give Baby Bear the rundown on the rules, please, because I don't want her knocking people out for nothing. Okay, so Sharmak said tow truck came and went and took the Mustang. Okay, there you go. See? I'm psychic. I'm not psychic, you guys. I'm just intuitive. But somebody said that the tow truck was there and all avenues pointed to they were going to take that car. So, okay, so let's get back to this here. It is not up yet. Oh my God. I love you guys to the moon and back. I'm telling you. Well, find out another. You're my only male mod. I'll call you my model. No? I don't know. I need to find a pet name for you. I can call you my rock. Pop Rocks. There's my rock. Okay, so I'm going to call Pop Rocks my rock. There's my rock. And he keeps me in line too, you guys. Cindy says, thanks for joining us. We're bringing you the motion hearing for the Sever. Chad Daybell. The defense wants to have the judge sever his case now from Lori Vallow. Okay, so he's not posted bail. That's a good thing because you know what? Now they can't. They can't do it until they go back to court and have an extension. Sorry, you guys. So if he has not he was given until noon on Monday to post bail. If he didn't post the bail by Monday at noon, sorry, you guys, for the cough. They have to now go back to court and have that extended, that time extended. Nothing has started yet, you guys. As soon as they do, I will be sharing my screen. Boomer Sooner Baby says, sweet. Aw, thanks. I like rock better than Hitman. I'll come up with I'll come up with a cute nickname for him. Don't you worry. I just can't think right now. Cindy Capel, don't get that stuck in my head. Uh-oh, Capel said something that Cindy's going to get stuck in her head. Okay, let me see. Oh, 77 MCL is saying Barry's out. There's photos of him out. Okay, it's starting, you guys. It is starting. I'm bringing this to you live. Okay, if you guys can hear it, please hit 1. You guys, just give me a second. I'm trying here.
Started on this DNA motion, Mr. Pryor. Is it still your intent to argue that we need to continue the matter for today?
Yes, Judge, and I had some communication with Mr. Wood late last week. I was unfortunately out of town, but he was kind enough to communicate with me that he's not opposed to setting this out. At least I understand that until such time as the state provides me the information that I discussed in my discovery I sent out to them a bit ago. So unless I'm misstating, Mr. Wood, my understanding is we're just going to set this out a little bit of time until there can be some discovery provided to my office.
That's accurate, Your Honor. We're working with the state lab to get the information for Mr. Pryor that he requested, and obviously we'll turn it over to Mr. Archibald as well and Mr. Means. It is taking a little. We're just working with the lab to get it, and so I do agree that it will. Having that information will probably make this motion easier to argue on both sides. And then the state did file a response. We're also concerned about having any dispositive consumptive testing of material before Ms. Vallow was able to argue it due to the stay on her case. And so for those reasons, we agree that this hearing, it's wise to continue it.
And Judge, for the record, I'm not necessarily in agreement waiting until Ms. Vallow's case is on the plate and ready to go. My position is that this needs to be done at the soonest available time, but obviously there's a need for the information from Mr. Wood's office before I can effectively argue my position on that.
Okay, well, without objection from the state, then I do find grounds exist, good cause for a continuance of the motion as it relates to the DNA testing. In lieu of calendaring that right now, where we're going to be in further discussions on a closed hearing later, I think it'd be more appropriate if we just look at our calendars and determine an appropriate time to reset this hearing. So I'll bring that up a little later this afternoon with council when we can all consult with our calendars and maybe get some reference about how long it may take for the discovery to be completed and to be able to reschedule the motion. So for now, the motion to continue the DNA evidence testing motions is granted, and I'll discuss at a future time with council the recalendering of that motion. So the other matter then we had today, I had it scheduled, but I'm not sure it's going to be heard because I don't know if a motion was filed. At some point, the state indicated they were requesting some clarification on an order that the court previously entered in this case. It was an order entered on August 6th, and state indicated they'd be filing a motion for clarification. I haven't seen a motion filed on that. I did have that penciled in as something we may consider today. Is the state intending to hear that today? And if so, was a motion filed in that regards?
Your Honor, I think the court had requested that the state get a motion filed last week or even the week prior. Due to some unforeseen things that have come up, the state had not had a chance to get that finalized. We have it about finalized and ready for filing. Our anticipation was, because we had not been able to get that filed, that we would be asking the court to set a new hearing date with regard to that. Obviously, we want the court and Mr. Pryor to have an opportunity to review that and respond, and for Mr. Pryor to respond if he would like to. So we were hoping to just get the next available date on the court's calendar. The anticipation is that will be filed by the end of today.
Very well. Without the motion being filed, then we won't consider that a hearing today, and I'll reschedule a hearing on that as well. Again, I'll talk to council about that when we all have our calendars together and can determine an appropriate time to be heard on that motion. So as far as I'm concerned, then I think that concludes the matters we were bringing up in terms of the public hearing today. There was one additional motion as it relates to a protective order that was sealed, and that motion would be heard in a closed hearing pursuant to court's order. So council, is it okay then if we conclude with the proceedings for now and then continue on with a closed hearing in regards to that protective order?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, from the state as well.
All right, very well then. We'll conclude the broadcast on live stream at this time, and I'll take a brief recess and then log back on, and we'll conduct the hearing as to that protective order. So that'll conclude the hearing at this time on the motion.
Oh, there you have it, you guys. Again, continued. Let me just take my headphones off here. I should have just continued with the Barry Morphew stuff. So, there's going to be a new date set, you guys, for this hearing. I will get that up and get that information to you guys as soon as I can. But for now, do you guys want me to start another stream and continue reading the Barry Morphew affidavit? Let me know if you guys want me to end this stream and go over and get another stream going for the Barry Morphew affidavit. Let me know by putting a 1. Yes. Okay, so what I'll do, you guys, is I will go and get another stream set up for continuing the reading of the Barry Morphew affidavit, arrest affidavit. I will get through as much of it as I can. Oh, thank you, Debbie. Debbie likes my voice. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. I love you, Debbie. Okay, so let me do that, you guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this stream. I'm going to start another stream, and it's going to be a continuation of where we left off in the Barry Morphew arrest affidavit. Okay, so I will see all of you guys over there. I will go for about an hour. There's no way we're going to get through this all in one day, you guys. My voice is, I feel it going. So I will bring some more of that to you guys. And I will see you guys all over there. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye-bye for now.